This is your sign to register for the Improvement Leaders Programme.
If you have the chance to do this, it's a golden chance, so do it.
It's been enriching from the outset.
We've achieved a lot. It's made us come out from our shell and take driver's seats.
It's really helped with my confidence.
We're able to actually see an improvement.
It's brought us together, I would say.
The police and NHS is very, very different, and working together is good on that.
It's been motivating our team to sort of get cracking.
Sit down and think collaboratively.
Being a manager on the project, what it allows me to do is accountability. I hold myself accountable. I hold my team accountable.
To learn how to not just work on projects, but do so in a more structured way.
When you give structure to people, they work a lot better within that framework.
Take that step back, plan it properly.
Interrogating the data rather than making assumptions.
Simplifying things, not always adding new things, but looking at what we have already and making it better.
A range of different tools for analysing problems and issues.
All you can do with this is create positive change.
Talk as a collective, how can we actually share our results across other services?
Learning about new ideas and projects that are happening.
You could be like, oh, maybe I could use that for my one.
Why not scale up amongst ourselves?
My advice for someone coming onto the course next year, it'd be really good to come here with your team or as many team members as you can.
Everybody, no matter what level you are in your profession, everybody should be involved in this.
I wish all trusts would be so long-sighted.
I'll recommend ILP for everyone.
If you have the chance to do this, it's a golden chance. You might never get that chance again, so do it.